Tip 1. Stuffed eggs with bell peppers. I started with 2 bell peppers. Then use a knife to cut each fruit in half lengthwise. And remove all the seeds inside. Bell peppers have a naturally sweet taste, are juicy, and are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, so they not only add color to dishes but also create a light, refreshing, and easy-to-eat flavor. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After removing all the seeds, I gently placed each bell pepper into the air fryer. I cracked 2 eggs into a bowl. Then add about 40 milliliters of fresh milk and stir well. Fresh milk helps make the egg mixture softer, less creamy, and gives it a smooth texture when cooked, preventing it from drying out. Next, I added about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Then I stirred it well to dissolve the spices. Next, I grated the cheese. The cheese would add a light richness and help make the mixture more flavorful. I finely chopped the scallions and added them to the bowl. The scallions enhance the fresh aroma and add a vibrant color to the egg mixture. Finally, I stirred all the ingredients together to create a smooth, creamy, flavorful, and colorful egg mixture. Returning to the bell peppers in the air fryer, I gently spooned portions of the egg mixture into them. I didn't overfill them, as I would be adding the egg yolks on top later. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, I put it in the air fryer and baked it at 170 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to about 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Within 10 minutes, this temperature range allows the egg to solidify slowly while retaining its soft and smooth texture inside. After 10 minutes, remove the baking tray. I prepared the cracked eggs in a bowl, then gently used a tablespoon to scoop up the yolks. Thanks to the curve of the spoon, the excess egg white would naturally flow back into the bowl, while the yolks retained their beautiful shape. I carefully poured each egg yolk into the center of each filling. Then sprinkle another layer of grated cheese on top. I continued baking for about 5 more minutes until the yolks reached a soft, runny consistency. When removed from the pan, the cheese on top was lightly seared, turning a very appealing golden color, while the yolk in the center remained creamy, soft, and glossy. Finally, I gently arranged the dish on a plate. The combination of sweet bell peppers, the soft, creamy egg, and the fragrant golden cheese created a dish that was both visually appealing and incredibly enticing. Tip 2. Turn stale bread into pizza. A great way to use up stale, soggy bread that's been sitting around for a few days. I tore the bread into small pieces with my hands and put them in a bowl. Next, I cracked 2 eggs into the bowl. The eggs will help bind all the bread together while also creating a soft and creamy texture when fried. Next, I added half a teaspoon of salt, a little black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, a little thyme. Then, I added about 200 milliliters of fresh milk and mixed everything together thoroughly. Milk helps the bread become soft again and also makes its texture after frying moist, tender, and slightly creamy. When the time is up, gently lift the molds out of the pot and let them cool slightly. Next, I heated the pan and brushed a thin layer of oil on the surface to prevent sticking. Next, I put the bread mixture into the pan and used a spoon to spread it evenly into a neat layer. Gently pressing helps the ingredients stick together better, while also creating an attractive golden, crispy bottom when fried. Next, I grated a layer of cheese on top. When heated, the cheese slowly melted, creating a rich, creamy texture and an appealing, stretchy consistency, making the dish feel much more like pizza. Then, I covered the pan with a lid and fried it over low heat. This helps the heat spread evenly throughout the pan, cooking the inside until tender, while the bottom gradually becomes golden brown and crispy without burning. When finished, the cheese on top has completely melted, becoming rich, creamy, and evenly distributed across the surface. The bread underneath is lightly golden, soft in the middle but still crispy at the bottom, transforming stale bread into a hot and appealing dish that's indistinguishable from a homemade pizza. So today, I've shared with you 2 recipes using eggs, combined with milk, bell peppers, and bread. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more interesting, delicious, and healthy recipes every day. See you in the next videos.